right? So there can be in the collective humanness, there has been up until now, quite a mustering of gotta go, gotta get somewhere. The clock's saying, hurry up, get the kids to school, hurry up, right? And so there's like this that's here as part of being human. Anyway, just because we are human. And so it's wonderful to look at that consciously and see how we can play with this as an energy, right? Because it sort of has this system. Wait, okay, now, where am I supposed to, where? And you're already here, right? So it's a little,
yeah,
right? When right here is, right? So it's to feel that if you can right now, feel where, just even saying, get to school, get to work, gotta get to work, oh darn, looking at the clock on the dashboard of the car, looking at your wrist, your cell phone, they're waiting for me, right? It pulls forward. So just slightly feeling that pull and then also relaxing back while you breathe. And just even saying to your body, it's okay, just now, this is it. Here you are, just here, right now, like this. It's okay. You can't actually go anywhere. The next moment might find you heading towards the loo, but it's sort of a happening. It's a calling. Your bladder indicates a direction, and you listen to that and bring yourself over to the loo, right? So it's just for now, just for this morning, and I'll hold a container of time for us, so you can totally let go of any kind of idea of time, anything, any pressure of time. Just feel yourself deepen into exactly where you are right now. There's no tomorrow. There's just exactly where you are right now. Nothing more to be done. Allowing your body to relax even more. No demand. Right here. Breathing is happening. Heart's pumping. Awareness is here, your old pal. Yes, yes, yes. Falling, falling, falling into it all. And to really even relish that there is such a mustering of these bits of consciousness playing themselves out as human beings, as if go dog, go. That whole mustering does give an invitation to go the opposite direction, to stop and fall in with yourself. Because you need that pull or push to be able to fall in, to feel what falling in the opposite direction can be experienced. So allowing these sounds then, if you have a yes for that. to deepening into, no push, no pull, being exactly where you are, and deepening, deepening, deepening into this. How does that sound?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Allow these sounds to come in so that your molecules that show up here as a you can rest on the sound, can totally rest and deepen into the sound itself. And with your eyes still closed, allow yourself to deepen even more deeply into here right now for all of those that you love, that you would love this for. To relax open even more deeply for everyone.